In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to fine-tune your notifications so you never miss when a new subtask is created in a parent task you're watching, and we'll make sure integration notifications are enabled. By the end, your inbox and connected tools will reflect exactly what you care about. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to Inbox. Inbox is your central place for activity, so it's a great jumping-off point for notification settings. If your inbox looks busy, don't worry. We're going straight to the controls that determine what shows up here. From Inbox, open Settings. Depending on your layout, this is typically in the top corner. Settings is where your personal and workspace level preferences live, and it's where we'll adjust notification behavior. Next, go to Notifications. This page groups all your alert options. Think of it as the master panel that decides which events will ping you, where they'll appear, and how often. Now, open the drop-down you see on the Notifications page. This drop-down filters or expands the list of event types so you can quickly find what you need. It's especially helpful if you only want to adjust one specific trigger rather than scan through everything. Look for the option that sends an alert when a new subtask is created in a parent task you're watching, and toggle it on. Watching means you're following a task, so you'll get updates tied to it. Turning on this trigger ensures that the moment a teammate adds a subtask under a task you care about, you're notified without having to dig through activity logs. Take a moment to review the default view. Default shows the out-of-the-box behavior, useful to understand how ClickUp would notify you without customization. This quick glance helps you see what you may be overriding. Then switch to Custom. Custom lets you tailor exactly which channels receive which events. If you want tighter control, say pushing certain alerts to app notifications but not email, this is where you dial that in. Within Custom, toggle on Integration Notifications. This ensures that the same events, including new subtasks in watched tasks, can flow to connected tools supported by your workspace's integrations. It's a simple way to keep your broader toolset aligned without duplicating effort. Finally, hit Save. Saving locks in your choices so they apply immediately. If you skip this, your changes won't stick. That's it. You went from Inbox to Settings, into Notifications, exposed the event options with the drop-down, enabled the new subtask alert for watched tasks, reviewed default, customized your channels, turned on integration notifications, and saved your setup. Now you'll get exactly the right signal at the right time.